So here's the boring lift. Absolutely boring. Some emergency light with a fluorescent tube and some switch and maybe a PIR sensor and some indicator. This is a breaker probably, and a sensor for the light here probably. And those LED tape illuminations of those symbols of this hotel. And what's this? Some explosion symbol on it. Focus. Explosion symbol on it. When I press it, does it blow the hotel up? That's weird. Some fire alarm, probably. Alarm incendio. And some fire detector. And of course this poor fridge. I forgot to mention one thing. It's in a wooden box, so there is absolutely no ventilation. There are holes from the top, but not from the bottom. So there is not much air ventilation, so it probably runs very inefficiently and it's overheating. A poor fridge. It's quite a ridiculous idea to put a fridge into a wooden box. They tried to make it look posh, but this is completely stupid. And here's the bed with this wooden block, nicely eaten by a woodworm. Well, it's completely eaten by woodworms. Can you see the tunnels and holes in it? And this big hole or tunnel. That's amazing. And some communication tower here. And what's this? I have no idea. Probably some lights for the basement.